This video shows how to weave beads in sections when not using a shedding device on a Mirrix Loom. First, string one fewer bead than the number of warp threads onto your needle and push them back onto your thread. Next, you'll separate the beads for your first section. Typically, you'd want to choose a section about the length of your needle, but since my example piece is so thin, I'll demonstrate with a section of 3 beads. For a piece as thin as this one, you normally wouldn't have to weave in sections. To help arrange my beads behind and between the warp threads, I like to bring a loop of the thread from behind the weaving up through the warp thread to hold. Once my beads are arranged, I simply sew these onto my warp by bringing my needle through the beads over the warp. And then I just pull my thread so it's taut and make sure that that loop is pulled to the back of the loom. For this next section, I'm going to do a section of 4 beads. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did before. I'm going to pull up a loop here so I can help hold my section of beads, and then I'm going to sew through. So it's actually very simple to do this. Again, you'd probably be doing larger sections because this is really a method for a wider piece than this. But if you like weaving in sections, you can use this method for a thin piece like I'm doing here. So my next section is the last 6 beads, and again I just put those behind and between, and because the last section is a little bit easier to arrange, I don't need a loop there because I have my other thread, and you just pull through, and that's it.